Hi, it's me again, Sophie, founder and CEO of Qunomedical, and I'm here to talk about certain aspects of a hair transplant treatment and the full journey again. And a question I get very often is on whether to choose to go for a hair transplant treatment at home or abroad. And well, the short answer is there is no right answer or general right answer for everyone, but there are certainly a couple of considerations for you to think about in how to choose the right doctor and where to go. So the two main factors, of course, in choosing the right doctor and the right place to get your hair transplant treatment, just with any medical treatment, is quality and price. And you want to get, of course, the highest quality possible at an affordable price. And that is what we've been working towards here at Qunomedical, to curate a selection for you of doctors who fall into exactly that category. Because so I started Qunomedical because I don't think that healthcare and being healthy and being happy with your own body should be a matter of price and affordability. And so when you are considering going for hair transplant treatment, really you need to know where on the map kind of the great doctors are. And one of the most popular destinations is Turkey, for example. Why Turkey? Because that's exactly what I mentioned before. Turkey combines a super high density of hair transplant specialists who have been highly trained and are highly experienced. Traditionally, hair transplant treatments have been performed there for the past few decades, and therefore, there are enough doctors to be able to actually pick the really great ones. And at the same time, because cost of living and therefore wages and salaries are lower in Turkey, you can actually take advantage of a lower price level there. And I think that makes the perfect combination for somebody to actually consider going for hair transplant treatment. But also, Turkey is further away and you have to get on a plane. So those are other considerations that you have to take into account. And sometimes we have people who prefer to actually stay at home because they just don't want to put up with the hassle of traveling. I have to say though that for hair transplant treatment, travel is actually quite minimal. You get on the plane on your first day, you get your treatment on the second day, and then the third day you can already fly home again in the afternoon or the evening. So it's basically a 3-day, 2-night trip. And that's, I think, something you can also plan over the weekend. There's a lot of flexibility about this. Other places where our patients like to go are places in Eastern Europe, like Hungary, Poland, for example, but also for our American friends, they like to go to Mexico. All of it always combines kind of the consideration between quality and price, and also kind of the logistics parts. How far is it away? Can I take time off? And all of that. But this is exactly what we're specializing at here at Qunomedical, to basically be able to offer kind of the perfect scenario for you, no matter whether you choose to stay at home and maybe are willing to pay a little bit more, or want to travel and go abroad to one of the places where you have super high density of highly specialized doctors, and maybe or perhaps save a little bit on the cost as well, where nothing is wrong with that. So I hope that I could guide you a little bit in terms of how you want to think about it. Again, it's a very personal decision, and there's no right or wrong, and only because one person did it this way doesn't mean you have to do it that way. Please feel free, speak to us. Call us. We have been doing this for years now. If you have any questions, feel free to also comment below. I would be very much looking forward to hearing from you, and also I will make sure to address this in one of my future videos. That's it from today, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.